Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get the rounded corner effect in CapCut on your Mac or PC. It's super easy and makes your videos look clean and professional. First, select the clip you want to apply the rounded corners to. Click on it in your timeline so it's active. Next, head over to Mask in the toolbar and choose the rectangle mask. You'll see your clip get a mask overlay. Drag the edges of the rectangle to adjust the size of your video. Then, drag the corner slider to adjust how round you want the corners to be. Play around until it looks just right. If your project is vertical or has a specific aspect ratio, go under Basic, adjust size first to match your desired frame. Then apply the rectangle mask and corner rounding again to fit perfectly. And that's it. You now have rounded corners on your video in CapCut. If you want more CapCut tutorials, subscribe channel so you never miss out latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.